Hello and welcome to Mastering SAP. Too often than not, maintenance and supply chain are operating in silos without full visibility of what's happening on the ground. A modern mobile solution helps to break down these silos by providing real-time information to maintenance technicians in the field and warehouse staff on the floor. We will now see how this is possible with innovative applications. I start off with mInventory, which is our inventory and warehouse management solution to issue materials against a work order while posting a goods issue in SAP. All I have to do is click on the goods issue module, which will take me to my search screen to find out the right work order I need to post goods against. I can scan my material label here to bring up all the open work orders that require this particular material. I click on search, it brings up a list of open work orders that need parts to be issued against. I can further do a fuzzy search based on different fields that can be configured. So I found my work order that needs to be, posted in SAP. I check out the material number. It's a valve that I need my tech be equipped with. Everything looks good. I can do attachments as well. For now, I all I do is adjust the quantity if I have to, and I click on confirm. Now, as part of my process, I can also capture a signature on there. The spare parts have been issued to the work order. A material document number has been generated. I can print out a GI slip. I have the possibility to print out labels as well. Let's now switch over to the MWork Order app being used by a field technician. I have all the required information on here to carry out my job. Let's hop on over to the Components tab, which shows all the spare parts planned for my work. We've got our valve there that was just issued by my materials coordinator. I can click on that and view the details of the spare part. As I continue to do my job, I realize I need additional spare parts or tools to carry out my job. And all I have to do is click on this plus icon down below. I can either add materials from just looking up material descriptions, or if I have a bill of materials defined for this asset, I can click on that and go through the recipe and add materials. So I see I need a blowback valve to further perform my work, and I have added that onto my components. Now I can issue this on to myself by just clicking on goods issue. I just confirm the quantities, and just like that, I have posted a goods issue into SAP, and I can consume this part and it's ready to go to complete my job. Updating accurate consumption and usage data from the field help warehouse supervisors plan better and trigger replenishments faster. If you would like to learn more about demolishing departmental silos, do reach out to the innovative team and visit our booth. Thank you.